So wherever, as I said earlier, if you've got Sharia even slightly embedded in your legal framework, whether it's residual from colonialism or self-enacted, or because you have the word Islamic in your republic's name or whatever, if you have Sharia, it is always going to be at loggerheads with any other system. And so you can't have that clear-cut separation of church and state, as you know, as the West has managed to do by and large, because Sharia says that this is divine law, this is the true path, this is the right path. And so you are going to have to actively choose to turn off essentially what Islam asks of you. And that's very, very difficult because, again, the claims Islam makes is that this is divine justice and divine law. So it is far better than any humans could come up with. It is far better than anything we could ever aspire to. So Sharia is supposed to be, I'm not saying it is for everybody, but it's supposed to be a Muslim's answer to the world. And you should always at some level be striving for it. So especially if you're a Muslim and a devout Muslim who, you know, cares about the right thing happening in the world, then living in a Western country, you are technically never supposed to be content, because the current status quo is not what is asked of you and is not what is correct under Islam. So in fact, the more progressive that, you know, the West tries to get, the more pushback Sharia is going to enforce on it, and the lack of integration it will allow for.